Mansory did it again with the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II. This tuned Cullinan is arguably the most flamboyant we've ever seen. Mansory's custom Rolls-Royce Cullinan boasts a bespoke front end with copper accents, a dramatic body kit, new daytime running lights, and 24-inch wheels are also installed. The SUV's 6.75-litre V12 now generates 720 horsepower, allowing for a 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. When it comes to Mansory, there's no shortage of opinions. Some people loathe everything the German tuner touches, while others revel in the over-the-top spectacle. Either way, the fact that they've survived in the business for so long means they have a dedicated following. Its latest project is based on the updated Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II, and clearly, the brand hasn't held back. Known as the Linea D'Arabo, this one-off shares some similarities to another Cullinan that Mansory modified 12 months ago. However, the Linea D'Arabo is even more over the top, and is certainly one of the most flamboyant Rolls-Royces you'll find anywhere on Earth. Much like Mansory's standard body kit for the new Cullinan, which is anything but regular, this one-off has a bespoke front end sporting new grilles with copper accents. The tuner has also added new LED daytime running lights, retrimmed the Spirit of Ecstasy in a bronze hue, and fitted a new hood finished in bronze with Arabic lettering across it. Mansory has then gone ahead and put on a set of huge 24-inch forged wheels with a copper finish. These copper trimmings continues across the door handles and the side window surrounds. New faux fenders have also been added to the front quarter panels. The SUV's rear end is perhaps the coolest, or most terrible, depending on your preferences, part of the project. Mansory has installed a large fixed spoiler that stretches out from the roof and also added a small lip spoiler to the tailgate. There's also a bespoke rear diffuser with the same brown finish as the hood along with Arabic letters, and new central tailpipes. Naturally, the Cullinan's interior has received some attention, too. Most notably, the seats are now upholstered in brown and black leather, complete with custom stitching and illuminated Mansory logos. If you thought Mansory was just about looks, think again. Rolls-Royce's 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 has been fettled and now produces 720 horsepower and 774 lb-ft, 1,050 Nm, of torque. That's enough to send the SUV to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 4.8 seconds and through to a 155 miles per hour, 250 km per hour, electronically limited top speed. If you thought Mansory was just about looks, think again. They've tweaked Rolls-Royce's already impressive 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine, boosting output to 720 horsepower and 774 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to push this luxury SUV from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, topping out at a very respectable 155 miles per hour, 250 km per hour, electronically limited of course. In the end, Mansory's Cullinan Linea D'Arabo is exactly what you'd expect from the brand.